Go on, Henry, say a few words. Say a few words, Henry. You going to talk to me? Oh, pretty Henry. Yeah, come on.
Hello, Scratch.
Oh, hello, Scratch, whatever. Come on, Henry, say a few words. Well.
Hello, Scratch.
Oh, hello. You talking well? Hello.
Hello, Scratch.
Oh, yes, definitely. Definitely, Henry. Yes. Okay, so, yeah, that's it. You reckon you're going to... Is that good? You're a good bird, aren't you? Hey? What? Yeah. Some of your friends are up the yard having a feed, aren't they? So, that should record, I hope. Ah, and here's our Jess. Older still, Jess. That's a good girl. There you are. That's a good girl. That's a good Jess. Yep. There you are. Good Jess. Jess is a Border Collie X Kelpie. You can see the Border Collie in the black coat and white tail markings, so the body mark, but her head is an entirely different shape. It's much more pointed, which of course for sheep work is really excellent. She's very agile, and she can jump up on a sheep's back very easily, and she's got enough body in her to probably be run for cattle too. So, and this is Bear. This is Little Bear. She's a cross cattle dog, come whatever, Alsation. She's my son's oldest boy's dog, named Bear because the dog he had died, and it was called Little Bear. So we got her as a pup, and of course the name passed on. She's little, about 8. Yeah, she's about 8. No, she's 10. That's right. Bear is 10. So as you can see, she's quite an alert dog and quite a strong dog in the body, and the typical Alsatian coat, and of course quite a strong grip. Jess has quite good teeth too, and get the idea she can't bite because, well, gee, she sinks the fangs in, you'd know it. So